She is angry at him for being late.
She is angry at him for being late.
They are excited about the trip to Maldives.
They are excited about the trip to Maldives.
He was surprised by the news.
He was surprised by the news.
She is concerned about her health.
She is concerned about her health.
I am tired of waiting for the bus.
I am tired of waiting for the bus.
He is afraid of the dark.
He is afraid of the dark.
She is friendly with all of her coworkers.
She is friendly with all of her coworkers.
I am happy with the outcome.
I am happy with the outcome.
She is obsessed with social media.
She is obsessed with social media.
She is capable of handling the task.
She is capable of handling the task.
She is very qualified for the position.
She is very qualified for the position.
She is specialized in ancient languages.
She is specialized in ancient languages.
She is involved in politics.
She is involved in politics.
She was disappointed with the results.
She was disappointed with the results.
She is interested in learning tennis.
She is interested in learning tennis.
He is fond of playing chess.
He is fond of playing chess.
We are proud of our accomplishments.
We are proud of our accomplishments.
She is worried about the exam.
She is worried about the exam.
She is good at painting.
She is good at painting.
He was disappointed in his team's performance.
He was disappointed in his team's performance.
She was sad about leaving her hometown.
She was sad about leaving her hometown.
He is passionate about music.
He is passionate about music.
She is famous for her writing skills.
She is famous for her writing skills.
She is amazed at the beautiful scenery.
She is amazed at the beautiful scenery.
She was addicted to her goal.
She was addicted to her goal.
This song is dedicated to the audience.
This song is dedicated to the audience.
Is this apartment close to your work?
Is this apartment close to your work?
I don't feel comfortable in high heels.
I don't feel comfortable in high heels.
She is connected to the project's success.
She is connected to the project's success.
She is sensitive to the needs of others.
She is sensitive to the needs of others.
I am annoyed by the constant noise.
I am annoyed by the constant noise.
He was impressed with her presentation.
He was impressed with her presentation.
She is jealous of her friend's success.
She is jealous of her friend's success.
He is tired of the same routine.
He is tired of the same routine.
They are curious about the mystery.
They are curious about the mystery.
I am satisfied with my work performance.
I am satisfied with my work performance.
She was amazed by the view from the mountain.
She was amazed by the view from the mountain.
He is responsible for managing the team.
He is responsible for managing the team.
She is grateful for her help.
She is grateful for her help.
He was embarrassed by his mistake.
He was embarrassed by his mistake.
He isn't experienced in sales.
He isn't experienced in sales.
I am disappointed in you.
I am disappointed in you.
He is loyal to his friends and family.
He is loyal to his friends and family.
She is enthusiastic about his new business venture.
She is enthusiastic about his new business venture.
I am thankful for your support.
I am thankful for your support.
She is nervous about the presentation.
She is nervous about the presentation.
I am sure of the decision I made.
I am sure of the decision I made.
She was shocked at the price of the tickets.
She was shocked at the price of the tickets.
We are hopeful for a positive outcome.
We are hopeful for a positive outcome.
Was it silly of me to try?
Was it silly of me to try?
She is indifferent to the situation.
She is indifferent to the situation.
She was frustrated with the lack of communication.
She was frustrated with the lack of communication.
He is upset about the misunderstanding.
He is upset about the misunderstanding.
She is bored with the movie.
She is bored with the movie.
She is ready for the trip.
She is ready for the trip.
She is famous for her cooking skills.
She is famous for her cooking skills.
She is different from her sister.
She is different from her sister.
She is sick of listening to his complaints.
She is sick of listening to his complaints.
They are accustomed to hard work.
They are accustomed to hard work.
I am late for the office.
I am late for the office.
He is immune to the virus.
He is immune to the virus.
The mall is full of people.
The mall is full of people.
She is conscious of the impact her words have on others.
She is conscious of the impact her words have on others.
There are many health risks associated with smoking.
There are many health risks associated with smoking.
The movie is very similar to the book.
The movie is very similar to the book.
He is terrible at math.
He is terrible at math.
She was fed up with her boyfriend's lies.
She was fed up with her boyfriend's lies.
We have been busy with a new project.
We have been busy with a new project.
Pakistan is known for its hospitality.
Pakistan is known for its hospitality.
Looking at screen all day is bad for your eyesight.
Looking at screen all day is bad for your eyesight.
He is married to an Indian woman.
He is married to an Indian woman.
You are eligible for bonus.
You are eligible for bonus.
He was successful in his efforts.
He was successful in his efforts.
The town was crowded with tourists.
The town was crowded with tourists.
I am blessed with robust wealth.
I am blessed with robust wealth.
I am familiar with this system.
I am familiar with this system.
The event was coordinated with local authorities.
The event was coordinated with local authorities.
He was accused of stealing.
He was accused of stealing.
I am attached to my childhood home.
I am attached to my childhood home.
She felt disturbed by his strange behavior.
She felt disturbed by his strange behavior.
It was cruel to treat the beggar that way.
It was cruel to treat the beggar that way.
The workers were exposed to hazardous chemicals during the job.
The workers were exposed to hazardous chemicals during the job.
She was generous with her time, helping everyone in need.
She was generous with her time, helping everyone in need.
He is always kind to animals.
He is always kind to animals.
She is keen on learning new languages and cultures.
She is keen on learning new languages and cultures.
He was sad about leaving his hometown.
He was sad about leaving his hometown.
The student was punished for cheating on the exam.
The student was punished for cheating on the exam.
Access to the VIP area is limited to invited guests only.
Access to the VIP area is limited to invited guests only.
His performance was clearly superior to that of his opponent team players.
His performance was clearly superior to that of his opponent team players.
She was sympathetic with her grandmother's loss.
She was sympathetic with her grandmother's loss.
He was doubtful about the success of the new business idea.
He was doubtful about the success of the new business idea.
The team was confronted with a difficult decision.
The team was confronted with a difficult decision.
The movie is based on a true story.
The movie is based on a true story.
She is anxious about her upcoming job interview.
She is anxious about her upcoming job interview.
Many people are opposed to the new law.
Many people are opposed to the new law.
He is slow at making decisions.
He is slow at making decisions.